So I think that I just wanted to take a quick chance to, I think I just wanted to stop and talk real fast about transparency when it comes to trading. Well, I guess one of the things that I want to start with is just the idea of doubt and the way that doubt presents itself. And doubt can present itself in your trading life in such a weird way that it's like a lot of people say that traders are bipolar because of the way our lives and the way our work sends us through ups and downs. And it sends us through ups and downs because, let's take, for instance, this past weekend. This past weekend, I went into the weekend and drawdown. I took a few more trades and I blew my account. And the transparent part about that is that I just wanted to make it clear that I just want to make it clear that the current combine that I'm trading is not the same combine that I've been trading. I'm trading a new combine now. But one of the things about the last combine is that we struggled to get off to a good start. Once everything was initiated and we were trading, things went left, right? No, actually, I want to say that we sustained break even in that account until the very end. Our routine was broken up. I began to go through the issues of allergies or whatever, right? To make a short story long. And I ended up blowing that account. So I went to bed last night. I woke up this morning thinking that something was wrong and I could not remember my trading strategy. I could not remember entry placement, stop loss placement, something I could not remember. I couldn't remember anything about what I was trying to do. And then this morning I got up and I started trading, and I had one of the best days I've had all year. I've had one of the best trading days I've had all year. First day of the combine. And I realized though I'm not out of the woods. I'm not out of the woods. And if you're trading like this, where you have these up and down days, and you hit max drawdown, or you overtrade, you revenge trade, you spray and pray, just take so many trades just trying to get in, and you just barely break even, that's a sign of a deeper issue we all need to work out. You need to work on that. I need to work on that. And we just need to take the time to hammer those issues out, because it's not going to get better on its own. All right? Skipping journaling, skipping the days that you say you should journal, you just decide to skip those days. This is what it looks like. Not preparing for days where you're not going to be in the market. Right? If you have days where you're not going to be in the market, and you know those days are coming, and you don't do anything to prepare for those days, you don't do anything to mitigate that type of distraction, then this is the way your situation is going to go. Moving forward in the new trading combine, the only thing that we can do is we can just go back to basics. And that's going to be for traders like myself, new traders like myself, young traders with the gray hair on their heads. Going back to square one is going to be the most effective and fundamental strategy tool that we're gonna have. Just not allowing the noise of our own self-doubt or self-criticism to affect, not affect. Not allowing the noise of our own self-criticism and self-doubt to sway our focus and determination, right? This morning, I didn't want to get out of the bed, and which was crazy. This morning, I did not want to get out of the bed. I did not want to go through my normal routine. I did not want to go to the charts because I had this expectation that I was going to continue this downward trend, this downward slide. But lo and behold, it turned out that I was in the right place at the right time, and I trusted the strategy that we were going to go up above the prior 4-hour close, or the prior 4-hour close, or the prior 1 hour close, or the prior 4-hour close. My mouth is, I can feel my mouth is just tight now. The prior 1 hour close, or the prior 4-hour close. And it all turned out. So I really want to come at this with a lot of high energy, but yeah, I keep thinking to myself, I'm going to reserve the high energy for the big payout, right? And I realize that I'm not going to reserve the high energy for the big payout because the journey is the destination. The journey is the greatest part of the destination. If you're not happy, if you're not high energy, if you're not excited about the journey, you won't be excited about the destination. If you're not excited about having overcome the steps and the stones of it, there's no way that you'll be able to have the financial results and still have this sort of excitement. Why? Because all of this time, you've been programming this downward, this down tone. You've been programming this sort of somber thing about your life. And it's probably the best thing about your life. If you've chosen this as a career, you know you're a different type of a person, right? So you like the hard knock life, right? You like to get kicked and you like to stand up afterwards and dust yourself off. So yeah, keep going. That's all I can say is keep going. Be excited about it. Wake up in the morning, and the days that you don't want to get out your bed, and the days that you don't want to get in front of your chart, and the days that you don't want to get in front of your note-taking app, and the days that you don't want to record your trades, and the day that you don't want to do these things, and you do it anyway, those are the days that you celebrate when you are finally successful. Those are the days that pay off. The easy days are freebies anyway. Those are freebies. The easy days are freebies. The days when you put in the work and it pays off, those are the days that you really, really, really celebrate. You say to yourself, yes, right? Yes, I did it. Because you're not saying, yes, I did it, right? Everybody, it's not about what we've done in the past that really gets us excited. What really gets us excited is, yes, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, right? I'm doing it. That's it, right? I'm not trying to steal it. I'm not trying to, y'all know this logo. I'm not trying to steal it, but I'm doing it. So